Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to create folder on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To create a folder, simply open the Files application. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open File application, navigate to the location where you want to create a folder, click on this three dot icon, then simply click on New Folder. Give a folder name and click outside the folder name. This will create a new folder. There is also another method. For that, simply right click on empty space, click on new folder and give a folder name. Also, you can create folder using keyboard shortcut. For that, simply press Ctrl E and here we have a folder, give a name and save it. So that's it. These are the three ways to create folders on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.